Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again, and if this is your first time here, you are very much welcome. I am Liki's and this is Liki's diary. So today I am just showing you guys how I achieve my everyday go-to makeup look. So starting off, I am just buffing in my foundation with my damp beauty blender. So I'm just blending it all over my face and going on ahead to just highlight the areas where I will usually highlight on my face, just slightly though, because I'm not really going for a full coverage makeup look. It's just something light for the day. Yeah. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And share this video with your family, friends, associates, whoever you feel would need this video. Please help me share, just to help grow my channel, you guys. So I'm just setting all the areas I highlighted with my setting powder. So right now I am just slightly contouring my face as per the usual, but going on with a very light hand. And now I am just dusting off the excess powder left on my face. Just using a blush on my face right now. And I'm just highlighting my face. Highlighting my nose. And I'm just spraying my setting spray all over my face. So going on ahead, I am just lining my eye, my eyelid. I didn't use any eyeshadow for this look, so I went in bold. Yeah, I just went in with the bold eyeliner. So I'm just brushing my lashes with my mascara. I'm just trying to give it a medium coat because I'm not wearing lashes for this look, so I just want my lashes to pop a little, but nothing too over the top, just medium coats. After that, I just went in with a brush and I just put on that same highlighter I used to highlight my face on my tear duct area, just to pop out the eye look a bit more. So now I'm just using my all-time favorite Davis pencil to line my lips. It's a brown pencil in the number 3. Yeah, I'm just lining my lips, and I think that's all I did for this look. I just went in with my lip gloss from Iman, and that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up please, and leave me your comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.